The ptca OKY connector was first commercialized in 1999 in collaboration between Goodman engineers and Dr. Osamu Kato. Quick to receive positive clinical evaluations from Japanese physicians, the market share of the OK2Y connector in Japan has now grown to approximately 70%, with over 2 million units having been sold to date. Although only recently launched in overseas markets, the OK2 is already commercially available in over 20 countries, with usage of over 50,000 units a month. This presentation will explain the OK2's functionality, how it is used, and why it has been so favorably accepted by Japanese physicians, known for their particularly strong preferences when it comes to medical devices. Large lumen. The OK2 has the largest inner lumen on the market that facilitates combinations of medical devices to suit differing treatment strategies for PCI. 2 valves. The OK2 is comprised of a hemostatic valve and a fixed valve, resulting in minimal blood loss during the procedure and making it ideal for use in CTO and complicated cases. Pushing in the opener opens the hemostatic valve, and releasing the opener results in the valve automatically closing. The degree the valve is opened can be adjusted by the amount of force used to push in the opener. The fixed valve is closed, causing the valve to lock the product in place when introducing pharmaceutical agents such as contrast media, or when performing ballooning and stenting. The fixed valve is then opened to allow devices to move freely again. Locking mechanism. With the hemostatic valve fully opened, a quarter turn clockwise will result in the hemostatic valve becoming locked in an open position. A quarter turn in an anti-clockwise direction will result in the hemostatic valve returning to the closed position. Superior design. The OK2, designed to facilitate single-handed use, ensures procedures can be performed smoothly and effectively.